All right, guys. So let's continue. We still got like a voice memo to text function unfinished. So yeah, the Copilot already generates tons of code. So no audio recording find. Yeah. We don't need to do that. Yeah, but I believe the first should be the changing of state. So let's do that. So remember, at the top here we got a number of states that we can choose from, like waiting for recording, start recording, something like that, and recording to text in. That's the state we are going to initialize at the beginning of here. So I'm going to say the state. Okay, does not give me Godot audio. I believe the state. Yeah, voice recording state. Okay, voice recording state. Voice recording state. Okay, the voice recording state, not session. State will be recording to texting. So basically, it's just changing and transcribing our audio into text, and we can let voice recognizer, let's have speech recognizer, Okay, so basically, they're using the default embedded phone recognizer. Request will be a speech URL recognition request, and we pass in the I believe it's the audio's temp URL. Okay, temp URL. So instead of audio URL, because you obviously can't find it, but yeah, temp URL will do. So basically, we're using the SF speech URL recognition request, passing the temporary URL. So passing that .m4a file to it, and there's our request. So I believe this all that should be dealing with the request. So request and dot, and we're going to require on device recognition. Okay, I'm going to use true for this one because I like to record a really long audio file, and I want to transcribe that. I don't need to have 100% accuracy. It doesn't really matter. That's my personal favorite about artificial intelligence. If you are doing on-device thing, you want the experience to be seamless rather than 100% accurate, because the accuracy should be improved while using the internet rather than using the on-device hardware, unless the model improves, and you can do that. But things is on offline on-device thing, you can make the user experience really smooth, but you can always improve that using the artificial intelligence while you're online. Okay, so I'm going to make it true. So the request and the request dot should report partial results. No. So if it failed, it just fails. We don't want a partial result. Okay. And we're going to add punctuation as well, so we will automatically add punctuation for us. So for example, if you pause, we get a comment, something like that. If you got a question mark or raised voice at the end of a sentence, will give you question mark. Okay, and here request thinks is a dictation. So what we can do is to, instead of the search, we can access dictation. Okay, so basically you're talking, you got tons of things spoken, and it will transcribe that for you. And then if there's an error handling, so recognizing task with request results, error in Godot. Yeah, let me just accept that and edit that bit by bit. And right now we got recognizer. Yeah, recognition task. Yeah, with request result error in. Yeah, that's done surprisingly good job. That result equals to result. Yeah, so else if there is no result, we're going to print out error message. That's good. We already initialized error message as a placeholder, so we can like put up whatever inside. So fail to voice to text, error localized description. That's good, and unknown error. So if there's no localized description, I'm going to give you unknown error. That's good. A return. If result is finished, let results based on best transcription format of string. So if there is the result, let this passing in text memo finish. Yeah, let me be more clarified in this. Okay, so basically remember that in the data model we got the UUID, something like that, so we can like let our ID equals to UUID. Okay, and we can let our the file's name will be the. Remember we got this like a UUID for it, so we can say ID and dots UUID. Okay, UUID, and we can change that to string, UUID string, so it'll be a string, and a UUID string. That will be good. Of course, you can say yeah, voice memo, something like that. But I think UUID string will give you a unique string, and that will be good. Remember, it's a M4A, so basically it's like a temp.m4a, and now I give it like a UUID. So it's exactly the same as the data model suggests. Yeah, and of course we can have our. I believe we can have this. So let me just save this. Go back to our project here. Request. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so we got this like a voice memo. Okay, I'm going to initialize the voice memo as well. So the voice memo will be using the voice memo. Okay, and passing in the ID, the title. Right. So the ID is good. Title. Yeah, instead of the title, can I just yeah, title untitled. That's not good. Instead of just using untitled, I can use like a file name. Can I do this? Can I do this file name for it? And then can say the like date. Yeah, we can have a specific date. Instead of doing this, I can say the date, just whatever time that we have now, and text of voice memo. So basically, we're going to get the result and best transcription format string. Yeah, format string, and its favorites. Unless you're telling that your favorite is false, I'm going to add in a switch that can switch it to favorite or not. Okay, so basically the default is not your favorite, okay, unless you click it to make it your favorite. And we can do a do and catch. So do and catch. So catch basically is error, is easy, so let's do that. Self error message, failed to save voice memo, and localize the description to save, but rather save and memo and the text. Okay, and again have a localized description. That's good. And then we're going to change the state as well. So state waiting for recording. So let's go back to the first state and go to let's go to the do. It will be that, and so the URL, and this URL is not like a previous URL, but rather a new URL. It will be the URL dot document directory dot appending. Just appending will be suffice, and passing in the path of that specific file name. So we got like a initialize a UID. Yeah, you can just use the UID string, I believe. So something like this. Okay, and pass that as a string. So the file name will be a UID dot m4a. That's good. Then let that new URL try file manager default move item at self dot that temporary URL to a new URL. So basically, I'm writing the original file and put that in new file. Okay, so it's just stream of data, just actually save that. So sort of like crystallize things, and then we can say self dot voice recording state, and we are actually finished. Okay, that's tons of the code. Let's go back. Let's go back and check whether we got some error. Okay, yeah, we got tons of error. That's good. that's good. Yeah, we need to like add that instance. Yeah, let's run that. Hopefully, yeah, that's surprisingly good. Surprisingly good. We can actually run that. We'll be adding some voice. Oh, yeah, I haven't like connected that to the front end yet. But the backend code does not have any error. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. And let's continue. And maybe we can actually finish this project in just one next video. Okay, so yeah, we are nearly there. And see you in next video. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Right? So yeah, bye.